In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and store SOPs in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized home for your standard operating procedures, so your team always knows where to find them and how to keep them up to date. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to Spaces in the left sidebar. Spaces handle your highest level of organization, which makes them ideal for company procedures. Look for the plus icon to create something new. We're setting up a dedicated area specifically for SOPs, separate from day-to-day work. Click the plus sign and name your new space something clear, like Company SOPs. Consistent naming helps with search and onboarding later. You'll see a field for a description. This is optional, but adding a short note about what belongs here and who maintains it can reduce confusion. When that's set, choose Continue. Next, define the workflow. You'll see presets such as Starter, Marketing, Product and Engineering, and Project Management. Select Starter to keep things simple for now. Review the defaults for views, task statuses, and click apps. For an SOP library, a light status set and minimal extras usually works best to keep things tidy. When everything looks good, select Create Space. Inside your new space, add structure with a folder. Click the plus button next to the space name, choose Folder, and name it SOPs. Folders help you separate procedures from any tasks or requests you may add later. Confirm by selecting Create, and you'll land inside the new folder, ready to store documentation where everyone can find it. Now let's store the documents. Open the More menu for this folder and switch to Docs. Choose New Doc to create your first SOP. ClickUp Docs support headings, tables, checklists, and embeds, which are great for step lists, screenshots, and links to related tasks. In the editor, type out the SOP details. A solid structure includes a clear title, purpose, scope, prerequisites, the step-by-step process, expected outputs, and troubleshooting or escalation notes. Add an owner and review cadence at the top so it's obvious who keeps it current. Keep paragraphs short, number the process steps inside the doc for readability, and use consistent naming so search works well. When you're done drafting, your SOP is already saved in the right folder inside the company SOPs space. That's it. You've created a dedicated space, added an SOPs folder, and saved your first document in ClickUp, making it easy for anyone on the team to find and follow procedures. Repeat this flow for each process to build a reliable, searchable library.